Oil rally to continue in 2022 as demand outstrips supply, analysts say. Oil prices that rallied 50% in 2021 will power further ahead this year, some analysts predict, saying a lack of production capacity and limited investment in the sector could lift crude to $90 or even above $100 a barrel. Though the Omicron coronavirus variant has pushed COVID-19 cases far above peaks hit last year, analysts say oil prices will be supported by the reluctance of many governments to restore the strict restrictions that hammered the global economy when the pandemic took hold in 2020. Assuming China doesn't suffer a sharp slowdown, that Omicron actually becomes "oh am I gone," and with OPEC+'s ability to raise production clearly limited, I see no reason why Brent crude cannot move towards $100 in Q1, possibly sooner, said Jeffrey Haley, senior market analyst at OANDA. The Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, and its allies, a group known as OPEC+, are gradually relaxing the output cuts implemented when demand collapsed in 2020. Many smaller producers, on the other hand, are unable to increase output, and others are hesitant of pumping too much oil in case of further COVID-19 difficulties. Brent crude is expected to hit $90 per barrel in the third quarter of this year, according to Morgan Stanley. After the Energy Information Administration, EIA, and Bloomberg cut OPEC capacity projections for 2022 by 0.8 million barrels per day, BPD, and 1.2 million barrels of oil per day, respectively, J.P. Morgan analysts said in a note on Wednesday that oil prices might rise by up to $30.
Claudio Galimberti, Senior Vice President of Analysis at Rystad Energy, believes that OPEC could raise prices to $100 if it was disciplined and wanted to keep the market tight. He did not believe this was a plausible situation, and while oil could momentarily hit $90 this year, downward pressure on prices would come from increased production in Canada, Norway, Brazil, and Guyana,